Thank you so much for joining Buckminster Watches. I really have a special one to service for you all. Check out this amazing Timex. It has this purple blue dial which caught my eye, and I just had to do a service on it and make a video. Alright, so I've taken the movement out of the cleaning solution, and I'm just going to make sure that it's completely dry before I start to oil it. It just takes a drop of Mobius oil on each one of the pins to completely lubricate it and make sure that it's ready for another decade or so of great service. Let's take a closer look. I always put the movement under the microscope to make sure that I see that I've completely cleaned it. Here I'm removing some of the oil that was on the escape wheel. You can see the balance wheel spinning with great amplitude. And here's the escape wheel, nice and clean, running very smoothly. Here I've placed the dial back onto the movement, and as you can see, this purple blue sunburst dial looks absolutely brilliant. The white hands and these funky white numerals contrast greatly with this dial. I think it's a really excellent combination. Wait till you see the band that I got for it. Yeah, a white and blue NATO. This thing goes perfectly. Now, of course, with every Buckminster watch, you'll be receiving it in an empty wooden cigar box with 3 informative vintage advertisement cards and the service card wrapped around a burlap sack. Now I'm going to leave you guys to enjoy the true beauty of this gorgeous, unique timepiece. Thank you so much for watching. For other great timepieces, visit Buckminster Watches and check out our Instagram. Cheers.